What's up, YouTube?
I'm Carl.
And I'm Pat.
And
welcome back to Catfish TV Vlogs!
Oh! If you're new to our channel, please subscribe.
Give it a thumbs up.
And smash that notification bell and join the notification squad.
Let's go! For today's vlog, we will be doing the Speed Eating Challenge!
With a twist!
As you can see, we have varieties of food here in front of us.
And some hot sauce!
Yes! And we are going to put hot sauce in all the foods, and we will eat these as fast as we can!
So consequence of the game is he or she, me or she or me will consume the samyang and do the spicy noodle challenge.
Yes.
And let's proceed to round 1.
Fight!
And by the way, guys, once we consume the food, we need to say the word
Catfish TV!
Hey! So you will know there's no more food in our mouth.
Yes.
So let's proceed with the challenge. Let's go.
First food is
The
pizza!
I love pizza, but with a variety of hot sauce.
Oh my god. Let's do this, guys!
Oh my god, guys.
This
You
is
see that,
so
guys? This is gonna
hot.
be extremely spicy, and good luck to us. And for sure, I'm gonna win this one because I'm a foodie type of guy, as you can see.
And he's a big guy.
Yeah. So, are you ready, baby?
Yeah.
So,
my
3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh my god. You want some, guys? It's already so spicy. Extremely spicy.
I can do this. I don't want to lose.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm winning, guys. I'm winning. I can do this. Oh my. It's so spicy, guys.
Oh my god. Don't
Kids, don't try this at home. It's extremely spicy, but I don't want to lose.
I can't do it. I lost. I lost! I hate it.
Catfish TV! Hey! Next round, we'll be eating the burger and the fries all together with the same variety of hot sauce. Last part will be the water, so it will be more challenging. And let's see where we can go. Round 2, are you ready, baby?
No!
I got this.
No!
Are you ready?
No!
Time to open the big guns. Spicy. Let's go, guys. This is actually crazy. This is for the views, and
What are
it's
we
gonna be for you
doing?
guys. So, round 2. Let's.
God. Nagtuang agib.
Round 2. Oh my
Ay, sabi,
G.
babe.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Got this.
So messy.
Parental guidance is advised. No food was wasted on this shoot, so don't worry guys. We're gonna consume everything, even though it's so spicy. Why is my french fries so many? No.
I did not put anything. Kaya mo.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
What's wrong?
Oh!
Nope. No. Di makuha. Di makuha.
Can you stop it?
So round 3, as you can see, it's a tie. But I'm gonna win this round because cheaters don't win. Yeah. So, hot sauce again. To the old Filipino favorite food, spaghetti and bread.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go. Gumiro ko siya dito.
Ah!
Now who is the cheater?
No, I'm not cheating. So, let's go. It doesn't taste right, guys. Down.
Oh my god.
Ah! 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 Catrice TV!
Last round is the water!
Yeah, finally water.
Yes, and 3, 2, 1!
Oh my god. Catrice TV! Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I won and I'm so excited. Pat's gonna do the Samyang challenge,
I'm not happy.
spicy noodle challenge. For
Not
the
happy
first
with this
time in
challenge.
history, I won a challenge. So that concludes our speed eating challenge. Hope you guys had fun.
And if you guys have any suggestions on what challenge we should do next, please do not suggest.
Comment down
Comment
below.
down below and we will do it!
Yeah! So, see you on our next video. Peace out, mother.